This is Vivid Botany. This is a question from Unit of Life. Unit of Life, that is class 11 from Chromosomes. When the centromere is situated in the middle of two equal arms of chromosomes, the chromosome is referred to as. See, first of all, you should know what is centromere. Mere means part. Mere or mer means part. Centro means that is present in central position, that is centrally located generally. So these centromere contains two couple-like structures. If you see centromere, this is centromere. It contains two couple-like structures called as kinetochores. They are called as kinetochores. So to the kinetochores, the spindle apparatus is attached during metaphase and the chromatids are pulled apart to the opposite poles. So what is significance of this centromere? Actually, when you see a chromosome, this chromosome during the early prophase, it contains only the two arms. It contains only the two arms in the early prophase, but when it comes to the end of prophase, the same chromosome will have here the two chromatids. These are called as two chromatids. So vertical half of the chromosome is called as chromatid. So here, how many chromatids are present? Two chromatids are present. This is seen at the late prophase. So this is one chromatid and this is the other chromatid. So generally speaking, the vertical half of the chromosome is called as chromatid. So one chromatid contains one dsDNA. Let us suppose this contains one dsDNA. It also contains one dsDNA. So one chromosome contains two dsDNAs. So where these chromatids are constricted, this part is called as centromere. It is called centromere. So the centromere contains two couple-like structures called as kinetochores. So what is the functional significance of this centromere? You see, during the cell division, we know that is the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. During that, especially during the metaphase, spindle fibers are attached to the centromeric part of the chromosome. So this is the centromeric part to which the chromosomes are attached. So this is called as spindle fiber. So spindle fibers are attached to kinetochore part of the centromere. That is the functional significance of the centromere, kinetochores and spindle fibers. Now let us see the question here is that location of centromere. See, centromere location is not same in all chromosomes. It varies to some extent one type of chromosome to the other type of chromosome. Accordingly, we classify chromosomes into four types. That is, if you see the first one, this is where the chromosomes are present exactly in the centromere is present exactly in the center of the chromosome. It is called as metacentric chromosome. Metacentric chromosome, where they are present exact centromere present exactly in the center of the chromosome. Another one where we find that the centromere is little bit away from the center, not exactly in the center, little bit away from the center. So what do we find that here one arm is little bit more length than the next. It is called as submetacentric. Submetacentric, little bit away from the center. That is, I write here centromere is little bit away from center. Little bit away from center. Here centromere is exactly in center. Centromere is exactly in center of chromosome. And the next type that you see is called as acrocentric. In acrocentric, the centromere is almost at the terminal, not in the center or away from center, very much away from center, and forming too much unequal, that is a long chromatid and a short chromatid are found here. So this is the longest chromatid, this is shortest chromatid. It is called as acrocentric. Acrocentric. So here centromere is very much away, very much distantly located from the central part. Here the centromere is very much away, very much away from the center. And the last one, that is called as almost the centromere is present at tip of the chromosome. Tip of the chromosome is called as telomere. Telomere. So it is called as terminal centromere. Centromere is present at terminals of the chromosome. Terminal centromere. It is called as telocentric. Remember always, telo means end. Tail. Tail is called as telo. Centric. Centromere present at tail. Tail means completely at the end of the chromosome. It is called as terminal centromere. And other side you don't find any chromatid. But this kind of chromosomes are very rare in nature. Generally we find here metacentric. We find here, and submetacentric is rare, and acrocentric is also very much rare, and telocentric is the rarest of the rare. We don't find them. And one more thing is that during the anaphase of karyokinesis, according to the location of centromere, the chromosomes exhibit in different forms. For example, if you see metacentric, it appears like V-shaped. It is V-shaped. Submetacentric, it is something appears like L-shaped. Because one arm is short, one arm is long. And acrocentric is J-shaped. Means one arm is longest, one arm is shortest. And telocentric, this is just I-shaped because there is no the other arm. Only one arm is present. So based on this given data, I think it's very clear for you. Now, this asked as centromere is situated in middle of two equal arms of chromosomes. This chromosome is referred to as. So, you can clearly say this is metacentric chromosome. Remember always, meta means center, submeta means little bit away from center, acro means very far away from center, telo means end. Telo means end. Telocentric means away, very much last terminal part of the chromosome. Telomere. Telomere means these parts. Terminal parts of the chromosome are called as telomeres. Generally, telomeres are polarized. They don't allow one chromosome to attach with the other chromosome. They maintain individuality and distinct number of chromosomes by the telomere. They are polarized. They are having charges. So that telomeres, telocentric, telophase we call in karyokinesis. The last phase is called a telophase. So telo means something that is end. So here the chromosome is centromere is present in center of the chromosome. That chromosome is referred to as metacentric. The option is 1.